Hey friends, if function keys are not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the main resolution. Now here's the thing. In earlier keyboard versions, we had a key called function lock, like we have num lock, scroll lock, caps lock. We had something called as function lock. But now we don't. Instead, we have an FN key, which is at the left bottom corner next to control or at the absolute left bottom or in that region, okay? If you do not find it, don't worry. I'll give you a simple hack. Press Ctrl plus Windows plus O. Ctrl plus Windows plus O, all of these three keys together to open the on-screen keyboard, or you can search for it in the Windows search bar and come here. This is the function key. Click on it, it will turn blue, and now function keys will be enabled, and you can use these function keys from the top here. So function can be enabled from here as well. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.